Hello there, beautiful people. It's your favorite fashionista here, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, we discuss all things, both beauty and fashion, in hopes that you might find affordable quality products and, most importantly, discover the beauty within. And in today's video, we have another wig review on this beautiful wig from Outre. So if you want to know all the details about this wig that I am rocking for under $50, then keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I'm super duper excited for today's wig review. I have a new color that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today on my channel. So without further ado, we are just going to get started. The wig that I'm going to be showing you guys today is from Outre, and this is from their new Melted Hairline collection. So I'm super duper excited because I have seen some other people's reviews, and you guys, the lace on these units are super duper bomb. So I'm just going to stop talking and we're going to get into this wig. Alright, you guys, so today I'm going to be working with Miss Kamiyah, and I am super duper excited because I got her in the color strawberry gold. So it's like a nice little ombre of blondes and browns. I'm just excited, y'all. I'm super duper excited. And I also have another wig from this collection, so definitely make sure you stay tuned for the second video on this hair collection. But without further ado, I'm just gonna unbox her. But you guys, already pulling her out the pack, like, do y'all see that color? Do y'all see that color? Like, yes ma'am. Like, do y'all see the color? Do y'all see it? We don't even have the net off yet, and this color is already popping. Now, you guys, do you see this lace? They said we had the melted lace, but baby, do y'all see this lace color? It's almost kind of giving us like a transparent HD lace. I'm just gonna place my hand right underneath the part. Do you guys see how natural that looks? I'm sorry I got so close. I had to let y'all know. But do y'all see how natural this part looks? Like, oh my goodness. I don't think I'm actually gonna have to apply any makeup to the part for this. But you guys, do y'all see that? Do y'all see this lace? Do y'all see the lace? Like, oh my goodness. Like, Outre is already doing the daggone thing, and I didn't even have her on yet. And just look at that. So definitely this lace will be great for any type of skin complexion, whether you're darker or lighter. You'll definitely be able to manipulate this lace. So far, I'm definitely loving this lace. But can we get into this color? Yes, like, do y'all see that? Do y'all see the color? I love this transition. There aren't no harsh lines of demarcation. Like, the colors just flow, and then we still have the nice dark roots. So it's definitely very, very wearable already. Look at me jumping into stuff. Let me go ahead and put this wig on. But ooh, so we also have an elastic band on the inside. So I'm super duper excited. I'm actually gonna try to just make this install glueless. So I'm not gonna use any of my spray today. I'm just gonna rock with this elastic band. So hopefully this does what I think it's gonna do. So we do have an elastic band on the inside. Miss Kamiyah also comes with 2 combs in the front, and then there also is a comb in the nape section, and there's adjustable straps. So there's a lot of security going on with this wig collection. I'm super duper excited about this elastic band. This is literally the first synthetic wig I've ever had that has come with an elastic band. So that right there has definitely got me interested. Like, I'm a little shook because I have never seen this before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly try this on, and then we're actually gonna get into the full install. But before I install her, this is what the stock card looks like of Miss Kamiyah. And I'm hoping, she looks like she probably is gonna come down mid back to me, but I am gonna give you guys a full 360. And you guys, just look at the versatility and the colors of this unit. Like, I'm already kind of thinking about getting some other colors because OMG, this color is off the chain. So we also do have Miss Kamiyah in Golden Honey, Ginger Brown, Cherry Red, Cinnamon Mocha, and Hazel Honey Nut. I do believe she does come in one 1B, 2, and 4 as well. But these are the colors that are on the back of the stock card. Y'all, I feel like this lace is gonna be on something. I feel like it's gonna be on something. I'm just saying, cause Outre did not disappoint on that other lace. So we gonna see. We gonna see. Ooh. Okay. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay. All right. Ow. Okay. Color come through with the color. Okay. All right. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna get close so that way we can see this hairline up close and personal and see what we're working with. Yeah, this lace is pretty long. I can't even see. So yeah, looking at this hairline, you guys, they did an amazing job pre-plucking. I don't think that I'm gonna have to go in and pluck anything at all, but do you see how transparent? Like, I'm gonna have to play around with this cap, because do you guys see how transparent? Like, you can literally see right through the lace, which is a good thing because you're gonna be able to really manipulate it to match your skin complexion. But you guys, like, look at this hairline. Do y'all see this hairline? Do y'all see this hairline? Like, this really might be a full beginner, ready to go wear wig. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm going to cut this lace off. I am gonna go in with my foundation that I used on the cap on the lace as well. And then I'm gonna come back and see if I'm feeling, OMG, you guys, I just realized I put it on without really putting the elastic band on. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come back after I cut the lace off and apply the makeup, and then see how it feels with the with the elastic band on. But you guys, this is actually a lot brighter than what I thought it was. I thought this was gonna be darker at first, but yeah, so. Can you say scalpy, Yana? Like, y'all. Scalp. Scalp. Alright, so I'm just going to readjust the wig because the combs are kind of flipped up in an awkward position. Alright, so actually, I'm going to test this elastic band real quick. Alright, so she's definitely not going anywhere with that elastic band on. And I just want y'all to get up close. I have not even glued her down, laid her down, did nothing. And we serving scalp. Like, I just gotta say it. We serving scalp over here, okay? Scalp, yes, ma'am, Miss Kamiyah, like, yes. See, this is what I'm talking about right here, This is what we came here for. We came here for the scalp. OMG, y'all, I'm so hyped. Like, look at this. Do y'all see it? I mean, of course, in all actuality, it's like I really could do without the wig cap because you can see, but I'm not even going to worry about that because, yeah, I'm not going to worry about it right now. But you probably honestly could get away with just putting your foundation on it because look at that. Look at that. Look at it. You really could get away with that. So I don't know, you guys. Well, I'm still gonna lay it down because I want to do some styles pulling her back. So that's the only reason why I'm actually going to use some spray to lay her down. But you guys, if you didn't want to spray her down, if you wanted to wear this wig down, it's no need to spray her down. Like, I'm getting a lot of tension with the adjustable straps and the elastic bands. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is lay down the lace and add in, I'm gonna add in a few baby hairs, just a few, and then we're gonna come back and actually talk about Miss Kamiyah. And you guys, I'm actually switching it up today. I'm gonna be using the olive oil super hold spray. I'm super duper excited because I have been trying to find this and it's always sold out every time I go to the beauty supply store. So I'm super duper excited to try this out today because, not gonna lie, I just wanted to try something different than using the Got to Be Free spray. Alright, you guys, so here are the final results of Miss Kamiyah. Now, I'm just going to jump straight into my cons about this wig because I have some cons. Like, yes. Unfortunately, Miss Kamiyah is already tangling. Like, no ma'am, I just took you out of the box. I was rooting for you and we're tangling already. So that's already some points off for me. And not only are we tangling, you guys, but we are shedding. We are shedding. I know these hairs are blonde, so it's kind of hard to see. But Kamiyah is already tangling and shedding, and I literally only just put her on for this video. So the tangling is happening. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. The tangling is happening in this nape area. In the nape. So definitely, if you want to wear this wig every day, I would suggest having a wide tooth comb or a paddle brush with you because you are going to have to definitely brush her out, especially if you're going to wear her all to the front like this. Now I am going to stand back some so that way you all can see all of the hair. She is more on the natural side, not thin, but more on the natural side. So my girls that like a lot of volume, a lot of hair, you might kind of feel like this is not enough. But yeah, so my first two cons, tangling and shedding, is a no-no for straight out the box. Like, I'm not feeling that at all whatsoever. As you all can see, my fingers are getting stuck already. Like, that's a no-no. And I gotta keep it real with y'all, so that's why I had to get those out the way because baby girl, like, no ma'am. So now that we have the cons out the way, the pros about Miss Kamiyah, I'm gonna get back closer now. The pros about Miss Kamiyah is definitely the hairline. The lace on this unit is phenomenal. Like, I love the lace. I have nothing bad to say about the lace. The lace is also a softer lace too. I can't think of a wig off the top of my head to compare her to, but literally some lace front wigs have like that hard lace on it and it's very uncomfortable to wear. But for this wig right here, it's like they actually use real soft Swiss lace. Like, I love the lace on this unit. The transparency of the lace is also perfect as well. Like I was saying, all you have to do is actually apply makeup to the lace and it should match perfectly. And as you guys noticed, I did reapply the wig. I decided to take off my wig cap because you really could see my wig cap and I didn't want to apply more makeup, making it too noticeable. So that's why I took the wig cap off. So literally you can wear Miss Kamiyah out the box and not really have to do much to her. So now I did get a little plucking happy. So on this side, again, this is my favorite side as far as the baby hairs. You can really get a nice natural, like, look at that hairline. That looks like it's coming out of my scalp. You guys, like, Miss Kamiyah is definitely serving scalp. But yeah, so I did have to thicken up the baby hairs a little bit on this side because I did create a bald spot. As you all can see, I plucked a little bit too much hair right here. But you honestly don't even have to wear baby hairs with this wig. You can just wear her straight like this. Now my other con, I know I kind of bounced around. My other con about this wig is I really wish it was a full 13x4 frontal. I have been saying this, like, you guys, this wig was under $50, so I can't understand not giving the full 13x4 for a wig that's under $50. But if Kamiyah had that 13x4, I mean, come on now. But other than that, the color, that's another thing that I love about this unit is the color. I like how we have a nice even transition from the dark roots to the honey blonde, and we also have some bright streaks of blonde. So if you are new to wearing wigs and you really want to get into colored wigs, this is definitely a good option, especially if you don't want to have to go through the whole bleaching, coloring, and dyeing process. I definitely would suggest getting Miss Kamiyah for that. Other than that, let's see, I love the lace, I love the construction. You guys, that elastic band is holding this wig down, in addition to the olive oil spray that I use. And I also am going to say the olive oil spray is definitely way better than the Got To Be Free spray. So if you have not tried that olive oil spray, definitely make sure you check that out. I am going to link that down below in the description box. It smells so good, and it also keeps the hair from getting hard. I have noticed when I do spray the Got To Be Free spray on my lace and it gets on the hair gets all crunchy, and that doesn't happen with the olive oil spray, so I definitely would suggest that. But yes, you guys, so I love the lace, I love the coloring. The elastic band is definitely holding me down. So if you are looking for something beginner friendly, Miss Kamiyah is it. The only thing that I don't like, you know, is the shedding and the tangling. Like, I could see if I was wearing this wig for 2 weeks, but for me to just be putting this on out the box, I'm not feeling it. But I'm gonna step back and give you guys a quick 360 and then give you guys my final thoughts if you should purchase Miss Kamiyah for yourself. So with everything taken into consideration, I'm gonna have to give Miss Kamiyah a 7 out of 10. And the reason why I'm giving her a 7 out of 10 is because of that tangling and shedding. But would I suggest actually going to purchase Miss Kamiyah? Yes, I still would, because like I said, as long as you keep a brush or a comb on you, you can get rid of that tangling. Other than that, I would suggest to buy her. Like I said, she is under $50. I am going to link her down below in the description box. But other than that, I mean, I'm going to give y'all an update like I've been doing. I'm going to give you guys a 1 week update on Miss Kamiyah, but don't forget to stay tuned to part 2 of this video where I show you guys a couple of hairstyles that you can do with her. And also don't forget to stay tuned for the next wig that I show you guys from this collection. But other than that, that is all that I have for this wig review on the Outre Melted Kamiyah Wig. I really did enjoy reviewing her, so definitely make sure you drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on this unit, and also let me know what other videos you guys want to see come out in the future. Most importantly, do not forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so that way you are notified when new videos are uploaded to my channel. And most importantly, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin', and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.